Hey guys, what's up? This is Yogi with a new tutorial in Photoshop. So guys, in this tutorial I will show the blur. So what is a blur and how we can use that. Okay. First of all, guys, a blur is a perfect effect in Photoshop which can be give us an image or refined background. You can use your images to make a image like particularly some mist or fog in your image, so you can add it. First of all, how we can use it? Simply, guys, I will show you an example of simple blur in an image which you can conceal the main subject from the previous or artificial, maybe some by different layers. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start it. First of all, this is an image I download from the internet. You can also download any image if you want, but for using blur, you must have to notice the background will be twice maybe different from the subject. Okay, I will take my subject, this girl, so I will make it blur. So I make this area blur. So first of all, guys, click on background layer, make another layer. So, simply by clicking that layer, click Ctrl G. Ctrl G make a duplicate layer, copy, and I make this layer is blur. Okay. After getting this, we have to get a filter, blur. You can choose any type blur you want to add, but I will take Gaussian blur. You can give me like you say the image has to go on like foggy. I click OK. So guys, after clicking OK, I found that but my subject has also occur. So there are many ways I found on internet, so how you can blur, but there are simple way I will tell you. Simply go to click mask. You have to click mask on that. After create brush tool. But notice, guys, you have your background color has a white and foreground will be white. This is very important. Foreground color should be black and background color should be white. After getting click take size for desired, click on that. You can see that the color has come out through the image. This is due to this background image that we can make the duplicate. It can come in front of us, and we make a simple blur from this. This was a very useful trick for making some beneficial background or something. You can simply make by practicing or maybe some zooming or something. That I will suggest make an example, and this will help. Okay guys, this is just a simple that we found our girl's image is like different from this. If I close this, and you can find the difference. So this is a very simple trick to use a blur in Photoshop. So I hope this video will really help you. If you want to use more blur, so you can practice on a click on a filter and click on filter and go to blur, and you can find many of options, so you can simply check out all of that, and I will also show you in my next videos, but you can try this yourself, because when you try you got a knowledge or something. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like. If you dislike the video, please dislike, guys. If I made any mistake on video, please tell me, and don't forget to subscribe for the more updates. So guys, thanks for watching Yogesh Tutorials.